Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to quickly add text in Blender. Click on the Add menu, navigate to Text and select it. This will create text strip in Video Editor. Extend or shorten the text duration by holding and dragging the end of text clip. If the right sidebar is not visible, press N on your keyboard to bring it up. In the sidebar, locate the text section under the FX strip. Now you can type your desired text in the text box. Click on Open to choose font. Pick up your preferred font style. Adjust various attributes such as size, color, shadow, and box according to your preferences. Under the Layout section, modify text position. You can choose to place it on the left, right, top. With this adjustment, you successfully add and customize text. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.